it's me, Funny Wolf 117 AJ, and I am so sorry for not posting in a long time. But because I have been very busy with life, and like 5 seconds ago, I got a blue Phantom rug, and I am pretty sure they are worth headdresses, but I have no idea. So today in this video, I am going to be doing trade attempts for my blue Phantom rug. Okay, so let me type it in, and I will get back to you. Okay, wait. Doing attempts for, if it will, like, come on. She is invisible. She's invisible. I can't trade with you because you're invisible. Come on. Is it going to sit there and... it allowed me to type, if it will come on. Attempts for blue Phantom rug. No! No! I seem like Markiplier when I do that. I'm like, no! Okay, I'm gonna have to fix this. Or I can do this. I hate how it is lagging. Come on! Yeah, it's lagging. Oh, I'm gonna die. Will this hurry up? Please. Come. Oh, it's coming. Oh. 4. Oh, I wish it would stop being laggy. For me. So me. For me. Come on. Ah, okay. It's coming. Guys, don't worry. Videos don't lie. Come on, I guess I gotta type slow. Boo. I did not say boo. Or bew, whatever that says. I said blue, not blue. Here, I'm just gonna say for my list. No, not lit. I said list. Yes, we did it. We did it, guys. Go check me out at Funny Wolf 117 AJ. Okay. Funny. Okay, guys, it's coming. I have a feeling I'm gonna get a trade. Okay, guys, I am gonna pause it until I get a trade, so be right back. Okay, guys, instead of just like waiting, I am going to be trading someone. Wait. I think I got a trade. I don't know, did I? I don't know. Okay, guys, I looked it up, and it says the blue Phantom Rugs is worth a rare spike collar. So yeah, I guess that's what they're really worth, and I am going to try it. Oh no, Animal Jam, what? Okay, I got it. They're worth rare spikes. My, I don't know what I'm doing. Don't judge me. No, what is happening? Okay, guys, I had to log off of Animal Jam, so here we go. No. Okay. So apparently I had to log off. Trade me. No, I'm not gonna say trade me fair. Doing trade attempts for my blue rug. Please be fair. And these are worth rare spikes, so I just want to see if people know they're rares. Oh, look, there's a little bunny. I think they're trading me. I don't know, though. Oh. It's a blue phantom rug. No. They're worth rare spikes. No, they're okay. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna pause it until I get a trade attempt. Okay, guys, I am so sorry, but watch what I'm gonna do. Reject! I'm sorry, but I had to do that. Look, there's someone with a rare spike. Whoa. No. Are you serious? No. Rare spikes. Not diamond. Or do 3 diamonds. Diamond. Oh, what's this? Okay. This person right here doesn't look rare at all, but then I found this on the trade list, so I'm going to try to do this. Say something. Okay, then that was weird. I don't know what I'm doing. Are there any more people in here? If not, I'm just gonna end the video. Well, I guess not, guys. So, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. If it will stop doing this. So yeah, guys. Bye.